It's me, Frost3454. I have, remember the two new guns that I got? The Taurus and the Stinger P311, I believe. Stinger P311. So, we're going to be doing a shooting test with 1 mag each, 12 shots each. And, just, you guys watch. Let's do the, this gun first. It's just a little mini target.
And recorder, Mikey.
Alright, let's point it on there at the red can.
Watch the red can.
Oh yeah. With the Taurus, when the mag's like that, when you put it in, this doesn't flip over. You gotta flip it over yourself.
Let's go check the can.
I didn't hit it yet. Alright, so...
Well, we can see he's a bad shot.
It's just that mag's a little wobbly. Just a little bit.
Sure.
Alright, so now we have the Stinger P311 safety. Now, take the safety off.
That's a hit. That's a hit. That's a hit. That's a hit.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, hopefully. Yep. So, that's the guns. See ya.